Hey guys, this is Debbie, the update for my first ever project pan. I have so many project pans going on that I'm like, which one is this? And this one, I wrote crappily on a piece of paper and it doesn't even have a title. It's very, my paper for this one is just crap. But, so let me just get into the products. This foundation, I didn't think I was going to be able to make them out because I was really focusing on my other one, on the one that was in my Harry Potter project pen, which I finished. I finished it in just a couple more times, so I actually got some good use on it. It went from there to there, which is pretty nice. And I've used it 5, 6, 7 times. Next month, I'm hoping, my goal is to use it 15 times. That's my goal for next month, 15 times. I am filming this a little later than I usually film it, so maybe I won't be able to reach that goal, but I really want to try for 15. So that's my goal, to use it 15 times in the next month, and then that will be that. Okay, next is the Pink Minx lipstick. I've used this once. That is today. So I've only used it once. I didn't even try to make a new mug because I used it once. But I mean, it's pretty short right now, and I think I can just try to use it up. Technically, I only have one tally on here, but I've used this once, which is today, which I use it with the lip liner, but technically I used this twice, but in the tallies before I've used this 2 more times than this, so it kind of evens out right now. But yeah, I did use this one other time, but the tallies are for basically these two together, basically, because that's pretty much what I used. And it went from there to there, which is the tiniest bit. I mean, it was only 2 uses, and usually when I use these two, it's like I fill in my whole lip. So I really am hoping that if I use this, because I was focusing on another lipstick in another project, so I'm really hoping I can just try to use this 10 times this next month. 10 times will be great. And then hopefully I can get this, this one. I want to get this one gone more than this, but I want them both gone. So I'm hoping that I can just try to use this. Maybe I'll try to use it 2 times by itself, not with this, and just use it with something else or something. I don't know, but I really want this gone. The next is my copper eye pencil. I'm wearing it as a wing today. This side kind of got a little thick, so then I had to try to make this side thick, but this side is still not as thick as that. But I did a little wing. I like lining my lashes with it. I've used it 5, 6, 7. I used it 7 times this past month, which I thought I was going to use it way more. I thought I was going to use it because I was really focusing in on warm tones in my Pan That palette. So I thought I would just use it more, but I really gravitated towards red a lot. And I didn't really use, today I have just a copper all over my lid. This is just one shade all over, the top. So yeah, but I used it today because I tried to use these when I filmed my update. So yeah, I used it, and it went... I used it, 5, 6, 7 times, and it only moved that much. I'm not going to hold it up to the paper because it's see, it's the tiniest bit, which is crazy because last time we moved huge amount. I want to try to move that much again, at least for one amount, to be try to do that much again, because that will be great. I mean, I have been wanting to do the one look again where I used it all over my lid as an eye base. And I will probably use a lot of it because I'm using it all over my lid. So if I do that again, then maybe it will just go down faster. But yeah, I still don't think I'm going to be able to finish it by the end. I mean, my goal was... I changed my goal to get to the bunny, which is right there. But I think I can maybe get past the bunny. I don't know. I don't think I can get super far past the bunny. But we're just going to try to use this as much as we can. And then I can just finish it off next year. Because that's my goal. Like, I want to get this used up. But I don't think it will happen this year. But there's always next year. So I can just try to use it. And I've been really enjoying, like, doing wings with it. And it's really nice. Although it's a little harder to control than, like, a liquid liner or something. But it's making me want to use, like, my eye pencils for wings instead of, like, liquids. And I'm like, maybe I don't even need liquid liner. So I might try to just get rid of all my liquid liners then. But I don't know. Next is my lip gloss, which I've used 15 times. And it went, where is it? It went from there to there, which is kind of halfway from there. I really want to try to empty this by next update. I really want to try to just use this all up in the next update. Like I use this much, I think, halfway through the month, and then I'm like, okay, that's enough progress. You can stop. But I really want to try to just finish this off now. And then I'll roll in the other lip gloss that I want to use up this year. Which is the same tube. It's the same kind of lip gloss. It's just a bronzy shade. It's like a browny, shimmery bronzy shade. But it's the same as that, like, e.l.f. lip gloss component kind of thing. But yeah. Hopefully I can finish this up by next update. And then I can roll in that other one. And then that completes, like, if I finish the other one, then that's how many lip glosses I want to use this year. So, like, yeah. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. And then last time I rolled in this primer because I finished my other primer. And I've used it a total of 13 times. Which I feel is pretty good. So, like, yeah. I can't really show progress on this, but this is just a Flower Beauty in Your Prime Illuminate Primer. I feel like there's not a lot of product in this, though. I feel like my sister gave it to me, so I don't know how much product was in there originally, because I don't think it was full when I received it from my sister. But I feel like there's probably a third of it left in here, and I can definitely finish this by the end of the year, and maybe even a whole nother primer, because the next one I'm going to be working on is pretty small. So I'm hoping to finish this and one more primer now for the year, because this is going by pretty fast. But yeah, I'm really liking this. Like, once I finish this one and then I finish my other illuminating one, I'll probably repurchase this one, because I really like this. I'm wearing it right now with this foundation, so I like it. It's nice. Is that it? Oh yeah, I finished off my fragrance, yay! I'm actually gonna keep the bottle because I have this linen spray that is just in a big bottle that doesn't have a mist or anything. I really want to try to use that up because I've had it like just for years and it's just has like never been used, so I want to try to use it up. So I'm going to be using this bottle for that, and it was here last time, so I used it all up, and now I'm going to be putting this fragrance in. This is Cherry Blossom from, I think this is from Bath and Body Works, but it's like, let me see, it's like right there. It's pretty high. I've used this a couple times because I was waiting to roll it into this to make a line until like my new project. But this is the last one I really want to use up this year. I mean, this will probably go slower than my other one because I'm doing some. I mocked it, so I'm doing another project pan with a different perfume in it too, and so I probably will mostly focus on this one, but I still want to try to make progress on that every month, so this will be maybe a little slower. I don't know. This is only 2 fluid ounces and this was 2.7, so this is a smaller bottle slightly, but I still think I can finish this off in the next year, by the end of the year, really easily. So yeah, and then I'll be super happy because then I will have finished 3 smaller perfumes in the whole year. So I think so. Yeah, that's everything that I have to tell you today. So hopefully you liked the video, and I don't know. I feel like I'm doing pretty good progress with all these things, and I'm just try to make even better progress next month, because except for like this, but I was just focusing on other lip products. So I'm just 10 uses for this, 15 for this, which means 15 for this, because using these together. And then I don't know how many uses I want to use this. I just want to use this. I want to hopefully make a bigger progress line for this. Like, that's my goal for that. And then finish off the gloss. So yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I don't know what else to say. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, bye.